super excited about, because I ordered the wig from UNiceHair, which y'all know I absolutely love them. I love the color, I love the ease, and I know this wig is going to be bomb. If you look in the description box, I put all the details on the wig that I ordered, as well as direct link to purchase if you so choose. But I'm telling you now, it's going to be a winner. All I did was take the wig out of its shipping packaging, and it came in this hard, beautiful pink box. Not only is the wig in here, but there are a few extras as well. We have some big old eyelashes. We have some hot pink nails, press-ons, which y'all know press-ons are my thing. We have an edge band with their name on it. And we have some HD stocking caps. Pluses all around. Those things can't hurt. Y'all check out this color. This wig is a 13x4. It's 24 inches long. It's a jerry curl wig, and it is in the color TL412. Y'all, I have been eating this color up lately. I absolutely love it. Hold on, let me take it out the knitting, because they got another part on this wig that I think y'all will like too. So first of all, look at the color. The color alone is just absolutely gorgeous on this jerry curly unit. That is so very pretty. But let me tell you this new thing that UNice has started doing that is beautiful. So you know how you normally get combs up here and the combs can start to hurt? UNice has started putting these tabs right here of glue. Not glue, I don't know if glue the right word, because it doesn't hurt when you pull them out, but they put these sticky tabs here to make this glueless wig lay flush to your head. Y'all, it is bomb.com. I can, because I have another unit by them, maybe I put some footage up there, I'm not sure if I did. I can tell you right now, it does not hurt to take the tabs off, and it keeps the wig so secure to your head. The rest of the cap construction, like I said, you get that 13x4 and these two tabs, no need for combs. In the front. In the back, you get a wide comb, and they also have this silicone band going around the perimeter of the wig to make it lay flush to your head, as well as some adjustable straps in the back. They've also included the slots for you to include an elastic band to make the wig even more flush to your head, and some additional glue tabs up there on this wig. Y'all, I can tell you now, I am going to be in love with this. Before I do anything to it, I have been wanting a blonde, jerry curly, big full wig, and I think that I just got it with this one from UNiceHair. Let me put this wig on my head, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and just like I knew UNice would deliver, this is just a bomb and gorgeous wig. I've had it on for a minute now, so the curls have started to dry, so you can see what it'll look like dry and wet. Either way, I think it's very, very gorgeous. It's such a beautiful honey blonde blend that they did on this 412. I absolutely love it. The other thing that you should know, y'all, I don't think I ever want to comb in a wig again because this feels so comfortable on my head without those combs and just having those little adhesive strips. I didn't even, on this wig, I didn't even use the elastic band, and I mean, it feels so tight, so secure on my wig. This wig is only coming off if I want it to come off. I am in love with this. My issue with a lot of units, because y'all know I'm bald under here. If my hair is starting to hurt, or y'all, I will take a wig off in the middle of Walmart. I kid you not. To all my friends, they find wigs in their cars. Like, I really will take it off because they will start to hurt after a while. With this one, y'all, it feels so comfortable. So I will say that little wig tape, wig, whatever they calling it, it is definitely 1000% worth it just for the comfortableness of this wig. So I definitely recommend this one. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to the one that I ordered. If you don't like this pattern, know that they make it in different curl texture or different textures and curl patterns. So go check them out, y'all, because this feels so good. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.